winter is my favorite.
Hey guys, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. Thank you for tuning in. For today's video, I'm going to create this look right here using this palette. This is the Star Wars Mandalorian Disney collaboration with Colourpop. This is the child palette. It is green, but it has special neutrals as well, so it's wearable. I created this look. It's so pretty. So if you're still deciding if you're gonna get this palette or you want to create a look, but you can't decide which shades you're gonna use, this is an idea. If you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. To start, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Prep and Set. This one is in medium. I use this, the light shade, on my lid, and now I'm going to set. Next shade I'm going to use is Droid Protocol.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over.
Next shade, with the same brush, I'm going to get Flow to Your Crib. I'm gonna pack this shade right here in the middle of my eye towards the dark shade. Blend that in.
Are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over.
And then just blend it.
Girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no.
Like so. Next, I'm going to use the Give Me Glow Cosmetics Glitter Glue, Glitter Shadow Primer Glue. I put that in the inner corner of my lid. Okay, wait for that to be tacky. Okay, next I'm gonna get the shadow right here using this Makeup Forever brush. This one is the Force. Just dab it right here where we put the glue. I'm gonna go back to the brush that we use for Float Your Crib, and I'm gonna blend that shade with the gold shade. Just gonna go back and forth and blend them together. For my under eye, I'm gonna get Float Your Crib. Like so. And then with my finger, I'm going to get this shade Precious Child. I'm gonna put under my eye, in the inner corner under eye. The shade is pretty. It comes out gold with green glitter flecks. Next, I'm gonna use Colourpop Cosmetics Cream Gel Liner. This one is from the Sandstone collection. It's like green gold. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Next, for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Master Pro Pencil Soft Brown. So I'm gonna put that close to my lash line. Just halfway, I'm not gonna put it on gold. And then I'm gonna get the darker shade, which is Perfect Brown. I'm gonna put that in the outer wing. So it's gonna be like an ombre effect. I'm gonna take the brush. Okay, like so. Okay, I'm gonna take the brush and drag the eyeliner a little bit here and blend it. Next is the best mascara in the whole world, Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. And I'm gonna put that in the upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm gonna use my Morphe Glamour Bronzer. This one is an Originator. This one is lighter than Megastar, which I always use. I am a bit lighter right now, so I'm gonna use this shade. Okay, next is setting spray. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to set my brows. I'm gonna use this Morphe Setting Gel. This one is my favorite too. So I'm gonna come in up, up, and then when you reach the arch, you wanna go down. So you're still combing sideways. Like so. Look how glowy my skin is. I haven't used any extra highlighter, just the Charlotte Tilbury and the Jaclyn Hill Mood Light Luminous Powder. My skin looks healthy. For my lashes, I'm going to use the House of Lashes Noir. Really pretty, but simple and very comfortable. So I'm just gonna put these lashes and I'll be back. For my lips, I'm going to use KKW Beauty collaboration with Mario. This one is the Lipliner Beauty Icon. Alright, so this is how it looks like, just the lip liner. For my lipstick, I'm going to use Patrick Ta. This one is Oh She's Single. I'm gonna blend that with my finger. And that's it. Lastly, I'm gonna put KKW Beauty Brightening Powder. This one is number 3. Whatever's left on the blush brush, I'm just gonna run through that and blend. Alright guys, so this is it for my video. This is the look that I created from the Colourpop The Child palette. At first, I didn't like this palette. I thought it was like too green. I saw some swatches online and thought that it's a great palette. I actually enjoy this greens and I didn't realize how much I'm going to enjoy it. These greens are wearable greens. They're not loud greens that I can't really wear. I'm too old for the very green greens. This is the look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Don't forget, I have an ongoing giveaway. I am giving away a Hocus Pocus palette. Everybody wants this palette, but it was so hard to get. I'm giving away one palette. This one is the new one. This one is mine. One will go to you. If you want to join, the rules are in the description box below. Check it out.